Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that let's just here tap the display section, and then we should click to advanced and tap to wallpaper section. After that we can see here two folders with regular photos or our default device wallpapers. We can also use our photos from here, or we can just select one from these default wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. After that, just tap on the right down corner here and select lock screen. Just wait a second. Now we can see that this wallpaper is set successfully, and just let's lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our CUBOT smartphone. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should hold for a while on one from our device home screens, and then we should click here to the widgets icon. To the wallpaper icon. After that we should just select by the same way, for example the wallpapers, and select one from these wallpapers or use a photo from our device. For example, I can here select, for example, one from these photos. Just after that, tap on the right down corner to OK and select again lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.